Congratulations to your growing family. A new chapter of your life has just begun, one that promises to be colorful every day. Don't panic, we are here to help. We will help you assemble your stroller so you can stroll with your baby peacefully. You can put these items away. You will only need them when you install the 6+ pack fabrics on Yoyo 2. The Yoyo 2 frame is now ready to accommodate the fabrics of the newborn pack. Your installation is almost complete. You will put the blanket on or not, depending on the outside temperature. Your Yoyo 2 is perfectly configured. Your whole little family is now ready. Nothing can stop you.